once again, and greetings from a nice sunny wintry day here in Japan. Yeah, very pleasant day today. We did have a lot of snow in Tokyo, well, parts of Tokyo yesterday. Fortunately, it didn't come this far. Yeah, today we have another 30 series Vellfire. This is a hybrid, and it's a 2016 November hybrid Vellfire, and it's got 43,000 miles, 70,000 kilometers, and it's in this gorgeous kind of blue metallic gray color. It's rather a rare color. They don't make a lot in this color, but it is very nice. It's a grade 4.5, of course. It's just very, very nice. It's a full leather interior, heated seats. Anyway, it's got tons of options. We'll try and remember them all. If you're looking for a nice hybrid, and especially in a very nice rare color, here it is. So as I say, it's a grade 4.5, so it's just very clean. Of course, it has all-round parking sensors, fog lights, HID, ASF lights, folding winker mirrors, of course. It's got the standard alloys, factory alloys with good radials, and very straight machine. The alloys are all clean. As usual, there is the Dropbox link with 60 odd photographs, probably more. And all these hybrids are four-wheel drive. You've got electric motors front and rear. And this one has, of course, remote doors. Oh, got the wrong key out. Here we go. Comes with two smart keys. I've only got one in my hand, the other one's in the office. And so we'll take a look inside. Oh, I have to unlock it first. And open the back. Here we go. So this one's got full beige leather interior, and that is spotless, as you will see. Nice clean headlining, 100% not smoked in, and it's got my wife is just going right here, going to the supermarket. Thankfully it's nearby. It's got these nice pockets in the back. There's a spare down here, and it's got another one, little pocket there, and a large pocket here with even has a little kind of convenient bags. Kind of nice. Has a third headrest here. On the older models it had a pouch here. This one doesn't. I presume you just store it in one of these pockets. Anyway. Okay. As mentioned, it's the Vellfire. 2016 November, 43,000 miles. Okay. It's really nice when the cars come like this. They've just been so well cared for. Gorgeous. Okay. And now in the UK, yeah, we're getting a lot more interest in hybrid cars. And it's for those who don't want to go whole hog electric, and the hybrid is really the answer, and Japan is hugely hybrid, and there's not a lot of electric cars compared to the UK. It's, I think my neighborhood here, one of my neighbors has one. I think that's the only one, but probably more than 50% have hybrids. Okay, let's take a look in the back. Of course, it's keyless entry, keyless start, as they all are. So the key just stays in your pocket. Full beige leather in very nice condition. Has little pockets in the back here, and has power seat controls here, which is convenient. So if you want extra leg room in this seat here, you can move the front seat all the way forward. Okay, just move the seat back forward. Just very bright smell. A bright interior, so with a very fresh smell. I don't think it's had a hell of a lot of use in the back here. Got cup holders in the armrests here. Illuminated ceiling. Also has these convenient handles here for getting in and out, especially for older folk. Okay, just shut these doors. And take a look. Power seat. And also the driver's seat has memory positions. So if you have more than one driver. Okay. Okay, that's side. Oh yeah. All the carpets are very nice. Also has the kind of courtesy step carpets. Another nice little feature here. Little cup holder goes in there. And it's hybrid, so you can see, get off the warning lights. And besides the fuel light is on, but otherwise they're all off. You can see the mileage there, 70,000 kilometers. And the engine's just kicked in there. It says charging. What have you got? You've got the controls in here for the doors. And you've got the manuals in here. You've got a dealer option, Toyota option drive recorder. The SD card is in the glove box. Nice large center box with more cup holders and another convenient little pocket. Heated front seats, and of course a rear camera. It's probably one of the nicest displays I've seen, I think. And of course automatic wipers and lights. You've got radar, speed adaptive radar cruise control, audio controls on everything on the steering wheel, and of course climate control. Probably probably forgetting all kinds of things, but anyway, the yeah, anyway, that's not really set up. Yeah, just very clean, very nice car. All right, let's take a look at the engine bay. Yeah, what have you got? You got more. Yeah, you got more switches down here. Heated steering wheel, and some, yeah, turning the auto lights off, I presume. Or is that the fog light? I don't know. I have to take a look at the manual to figure it all out. Okay. So here we go. Synergy, the hybrid Synergy drive. It's recently we found a company in Wigan that's very up on hybrids and electric cars. So, and these things go for hundreds of thousands of kilometers. I mean, they're coming in the auctions with 200,000-300,000 kilometers on them. Not this one, but still. Okay, and here we have the passenger seat is also power operated. And here we have the auction sheet. It came from the Toyota auction, Yokohama. In fact, I was there this morning buying cars. It's about a 45-minute drive. It's the Alphard hybrid. It's a 28 November, so that's 2016. 70,000 kilometers, which is 43,000 miles. And it's the VL edition, and which is the top of the range for this particular model. Well, there is an edition called the Executive-Lounge, which is a little over the top for most people. I mean, it's more like a luxury taxi. But yeah, if that's what you want. Yeah, and you can see the body's just very clean. Nothing to mention at all. I think one of the nicest features about this car is the color. If you're looking for something different, of course, there's lots of white ones and black ones. Colored ones are rare, which is why this one caught our eye. And so if you want a bit of color in your car, this is a possible answer. So again, a 2016 November hybrid Vellfire, 43,000 miles, grade 4.5. If this car interests you, please do talk to Paul at Japan Auto Agents, and he can guide you through the process of buying the car, and also show you, if you haven't already seen, the Dropbox photographs as well. And if you have any other questions, of course, please do ask, and we can organize the shipping, which presently we are containerizing the cars into Felixstowe or Southampton or London Gateway, and well, anywhere actually. You can even go up to South Shields. Yep, it's available. So thanks for watching, and bye for now.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@Jap-Auto-Agent.com.